Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Amex gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question I got a lot lately, and that is, can you use an Amex gift card on Amazon? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. I actually don't know the answer, so we're going to try this together. And if you're not familiar with these Amex gift cards, basically what they are is you just buy these little cards at a local retailer. I bought this one at CVS. Once you buy the card, you can load cash onto it one time. Once that happens, then you can usually use it at most places that accept American Express, which is most places these days. But can you use it on Amazon? That's what we're going to find out. So I've already opened up my Amazon app here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. Once you're here, you get to the home screen where they have various specials available to you on Amazon. But if you want to try to use your Amex gift card on Amazon, you want to click on these three little lines here on the top left. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, you're going to get this drop-down menu. And if you want to try to add your Amex gift card into your Amazon account, you want to click right here on your account. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you're going to get this drop-down menu. But if you want to add your Amex gift card into your Amazon account, you want to scroll down until you get to the section called Payments. Next, you want to choose this line right here called Your Payments. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then you're going to get this payment screen that shows all the different payment methods you have associated with your Amazon account. But if you want to try to add your American Express gift card into Amazon, you want to click right here on this line called Add a Payment. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and it looks like Amazon is asking for the 15-digit Amex gift card number. They're also asking for the name, but anytime I use a gift card, I just put my name there. And then the expiration date. So I'm going to put all that information in off screen now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and entered in all the required information. Next, I'm going to click this orange Add Your Card button. Okay, next, Amazon is asking which address they want me to use as the billing address for this card. The thing is, with these cards, you don't actually register an address or a zip code. So I usually just use my typical shipping address. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that now. Okay, I went ahead and chose the address. I'm going to click Use this address. Okay, guys, just a few seconds later, this screen pops up and it looks like, yes, you can use your Amex gift card on Amazon. As you can see, I now have a new American Express listed here under my payment methods. So what will happen is when you go to make a purchase, you'll just use this as a payment method. Here's one thing you want to consider though, that this card is only $25. So if I'm going to buy something for $100, you can't really use two gift cards at one time. A way around that is you can go ahead and just go through your Amazon account, look to buy an Amazon gift card, and then once you bought the gift card, the Amazon gift card is added into your payment methods and you can apply that to future payments. So once again, instead of just using it or adding it as a payment method like what I did, you can also go through Amazon, search for Amazon gift cards, buy an Amazon gift card, the digital gift card. Once that is in your Amazon account, the money would just be taken off your American Express gift card and then put into your Amazon account. Now, there have been a couple of people who have commented and said that Amazon doesn't really like that, or for some reason their account was frozen. I've actually never experienced that, and I've done it a lot of times, but just know that there is that possibility. If that happened to you, if Amazon froze your account because you bought an Amazon gift card with an Amex gift card, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.